affirmative prayer is really where so spirit meets language. Oh, Awoon deshameo nakateshasmak. I've been, Jill, the other day when we were in a chaplain training, we were learning the Our Father. And she talked about how the Our Father, we learn these prayers and affirmations, we learn in the English language, right? And so the universe doesn't really even speak English. It's all vibration. So it's not that I even need to be putting things into English for it to matter. It's that vibrational connection, that vibrational match that is happening. And she mentioned how the Our Father in Aramaic is Awoon deshameo. And in fact, I've been studying it. I went home and just lit incense and candles and sat there listening to this chant for hours, and I got covered with chills and felt like I was back in the temple, just in another lifetime. It was words have magical power here. And when we take them into other languages, sometimes it can be a lot of fun. It can really help us to almost commune with the logos of that word. The logos is the divine meaning, the substance behind what that word is ultimately trying to convey. Awoon dwashmeya nithkadeshashmak. Wow, it sounds very different than Our Father who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Feels very different. And then when Jill went on to describe that Awoon deshameo is to say Our Father meant something so intimate, not like our patriarchal experience of our Father. It is that the most intimate, the closest, that which knows you, loves you, and protects and cares. It is the most precious word. Awoon. Well, after that, I felt a lot more comfortable saying the Our Father. It seemed to resonate a lot more. And so sometimes great lessons and teachings that we sometimes may toss out in our new thought because it doesn't seem to really resonate with our language, go back and check the original language. Sometimes that helps. See how Jesus actually said it. Yishar Yeshua. Thank you, Jesus. Yishar. That's thank you. And in Aramaic, I wanted to learn that so when I would meet Jesus on the other plane, even though we don't even need it at that point still, I just wanted to say it in his tongue. Thank you, Jesus. Yishar Yeshua. Yeah.